up, everybody? So this is our high-flying Creighton EXB. And after doing things like this...
52!
And this...
Spraying everywhere. Oh my God. Oh my God. Boom! 59! Oh my God!
It has certainly seen better days. The body is all beat up. And the ESC has certainly seen better days. I mean, just look at those cat packs, guys, where things have come loose, flying around and landed on them when we've been landing from those great heights. And we were out last weekend trying to send it to the moon again, but it just kept cutting out. Never fear. The simple solution is, let's put a new MAX6 in there. However, before we put that MAX6 in, we're going to do a mod. I've started doing this mod to all our MAX6s when we get them, the new ones, and even the old ones. After we had some failures where the little cups popped out for some big landings. So let me now show you what the mod is that we do. Guys, if you look in there, you can see the potting is a little bit too low, and these are the cups that can ping out from really heavy, hard landings. So what we're going to do is we're going to take some epoxy resin and fill that up a little bit. Doesn't really matter what epoxy resin you get. I'm just using some Gorilla Epoxy Crystal Clear Gap Filling. When applying it, make sure you don't get it down those holes, because that'll be a bit of a pain, and keep it away from the pins there. We'll let that set now. You can see there's so much more potting now holding those cups in place. The only other thing we do with the MAX6 is these stock fans are utter pants. Any type of hard bashing, this fan will stop working. However, there is a solution. These aluminium jacketed fans work an absolute treat. 35mm. Now these ones are from racingbolts.com. However, I normally get them from Banggood, and I will put a link down below where you can get them from. Now the beauty of these is they are super durable. They fit in the stock MAX6s, they fit in the arrma Spectrums, the BLXs. They also fit in the Traxxas X-Max motors. So I have these in our Traxxas X-Max in the fans for the motor, and they are holding up beautifully. These are great fans. So we just get that in there. It's a stock fit. It's a little bit snug, a little bit tight, so you have to pry it in a little bit, but it does go in. There we are, nicely in there. Now you'll notice I have also put a bit of high density foam just on the bottom of the fan. That's just to help a little bit on the real big jumps where it's coming down, because there is a bit of a cavity between the bottom of the fan and then the ESC, because it sits on top. So it just breaches that gap, give it full support. There we go, guys. A brand new MAX6, all beefed up, ready for some hardcore treatment.
Yeah, this new ESC holds up. Only got some power now. Wasn't me. Mine's there. Now we've put Jack behind the wheels. How long is it going to last?
One jump.
Oh, it's a nice launch. I hate to say it, Jack does jump better than me. Oh. Oh, that's a hard hit. Oh. backflip. Oh, the roof slammer.
Here we are at the send it log. That's getting ready to go. Oh, it's on the roof. I'll get it. Cheers. Oh, that's a back landing.
Get that one.
No! Oh, that tree is getting in the way. Oh, over the branch, landed it.
Jack is becoming the master sender.
Oh, it's over though. Oh, got it, guys. We're getting some good sends there. But we've got the usual crating issues, the popped out front drive shaft.
Doesn't slide in there properly, and it like moves it.
When they're fat.
Yeah, when it's too fat, it doesn't slide in.
That's what she said. It's bitterly cold out today, guys, but we're going to test out this new ESC in the Creighton and see if the ever flying Creighton can still fly. What do you reckon, Callum? Oh yes, it's still got it. What did you do?
Hit the wrong ramp.
You went lengthwise. You wanted some length, didn't you?
Yeah.
Length rather than height. Bubble, bubble. Ooh, that was close to the concrete. Callum really wanted to test that MAX6 out. Oh, that is definitely. Ooh. Callum is definitely trying to test that MAX6 out. Pretty sure Callum's trying to cost me lots of money today. Are you trying to cost me lots of money today?
No. It's twice now. It's hit like the edge of the car.
Yeah. That is concrete. Oh!
The servo's stopped working. Still goes forward with a weird noise.
Have you killed another motor?
No.
You sure? Tight. The wedge is still in there. Gone tight on the mesh though. Oh, MAX6 move. No, fan on the MAX6, concrete slam, 50 foot high, fan still going, MAX6 is still going. Probably lost the mesh. What'd you say, Callum?
The mesh moved.
Proof the MAX6 mods work though. Bye.